Hi, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out and spoke with Christina the other day, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things short and sweet. Just want to show you a couple of tips that you can do to really build up your traffic online and, potentially increase your online presence. So with that, let me get started. You're doing a lot of good things for your website. Whoever did your website did a really good job. You have, your click to call. You have you know button to go to your form submit or what have you. So there's a lot of good things there, a lot of ways to convert. You have your socials. You could potentially add a virtual chat, but I'm not sure that'll help your conversions or not. It's just a different way in which to get people to, they can text rather than just call or fill out a form submit. So, um, you have your badges, you have your coupons, you have your location pages. When I was looking through your location pages, there was quite a bit of content. There was buyer intent keywords in the heading. So, you're doing a great job there. But, when I look at like Roofing Companies Naples, Florida, right? The one thing I noticed is that, you guys aren't here. I scrolled down and I don't see you guys on the first page. I don't see you in the map pack. And, this is a really good buyer intent keyword because when somebody in Naples wants to find a roofing company that doesn't know which one they want to use, uh, you know, Roofing Companies Naples, Florida would be a keyword that they search. And in fact, it has 300 searches a month. So quite a bit of volume there that you're potentially, not getting a lot of traffic on. So if I wanted to rank um, for that, especially with my Google Business profile. So, let's start there because I think you are more than likely ranking for that keyword. It's just you're not high enough to get a lot of traffic. You might be on the second, third, fourth page. And so if I wanting to really rank for this keyword, I would try to get as many ways in which to get spotted as possible. So, the first thing people see is the Google guaranteed and the Google ads. So I might, set up a Google guarantee, run local ads, run Google ads, and for the people that click on the first thing they see, or the people that like to use Google Guaranteed, you're going to get that traffic right off the bat. So really important that you know use that because that's going to pull in those particular people. And then the same thing with this map pack, right? Like I know quite a few people that like to find a company in their area that like to use this map pack. And if you're number one here, you're going to pull as much traffic as possible. So it's really important to at least be in the top three to where you can pull in some traffic from this keyword. And then last but not least, you want to rank organically. And obviously the first page, you don't get a lot of traffic. The second page and beyond, although with 300 searches a month, you are going to get traffic on the top of the second page more than likely, but you really want to get to that first page. But my first real tip is to really build and grow this Google Business profile. So you're doing well on reviews. You want to continue to add that. You want to make sure your information is pretty consistent through the web. So looking at what you guys are doing, you have a lot of this filled out. The one thing I would say is that a lot of times hours vary. That's one thing that we notice. And, you really want everything to be uniform because Google doesn't like it when people are searching on different platforms and get different information. So whether it be your Yelp page, your website, your Google business profile, whatever it may be, you want to make sure all that stuff's consistent. And then you want to save photos that are saved as keywords. So again, if we're wanting to rank for Roofing Companies Naples, we would save a photo as that keyword and then we would geotag it. So maybe say geotag it for this location and Google will feel that you did a roof or a service at that location. So really important to kind of show Google where you guys are where what your service area is. And you definitely want to post consistently to 2 to 3 times a week, usually at least. And then my last tip, and this is probably the reason why, even though you are ranking for a lot of keywords, you're not really high enough. is that you really need to build up the strength of your site. So right now it's like you have a Porsche without an engine, or maybe a Porsche with like a Tesla engine, right? Or a smart car engine. Like it's just not doing enough for you. And how you build this up is you add referring domains that send links back to your site. And what referring domains are is just websites that send you a link. And you really want those to be do follow links because those are the ones that send you power, right? And typically, what you want to be is 20s, 30s, 40s. You'd like to see a 1-to-1 ratio. So just showing you what that kind of looks like. This is King Roofing. They're in your area. They don't have the 1-to-1 ratio, but where you have a 20, they have a 33, and where you have a 9, they have a 13. And as you can see, you had 25 do follow and 46 referring domains. They have 122 and 77, and they're getting 190 clicks a month versus your 34. So this is really something that you just kind of got to build and strengthen and grow to where you can get that traffic. And basically all you got to do is follow the example of those that are doing it and ranking above you. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, concerns. We would love to get your feedback on the video. I also have a link to our Google Calendar. Myself or my business partner Jackie would love to get in contact with you at whatever time works for you. So just fill that out, and one of us will reach out at the time you request. So with that, have a great day, and God bless.